All right, this evening we are enjoying mild temperatures. It's 31 still with that wind, a little breezy, 20 miles per hour out of the west southwest. Look at the warmth up to the north, 36 still in Cavalier, Devils Lake at 29, Jamestown 32, and some 30s still across western Minnesota as we head into the overnight hours. So you take a look at those local temperatures right now. And boy, we could just wave at all the people out here on the East Coast because they are in the teens out there. Warmer in our region than it is for some in New Orleans at this hour. Here's a little shot of snow working its way down. Some may see some mixed sprinkles with this and some clouds, which will even slow further the rate of cooling tonight as they act as a little bit of a blanket up there. Look at the pink on the radar here near Rock Lake. Some sleet and mixed precipitation falling on a frozen surface could mean some very slippery conditions, even by this light dash of snow that's very fast moving. Overnight tonight, temperatures will dip into the mid-20s for many of us. That means your morning commute will once again be a little on the slippery side out there, so please use caution. And still a little breezy, 5 to 15 miles per hour, that wind out of the west. More clouds out over Minnesota as we start our day. Heading toward your lunch hour, expect the wind to die off a little bit and the temperatures to go up. So we'll call it a terrific afternoon on Thursday with temperatures rising into the 30s, maybe even near 40 for Ellendale and up towards the Lemoore County area, 28 degrees in Roseau for your afternoon and 31 in Detroit Lakes as we warm up even a pinch more. Tomorrow in Fargo starting out in the mid-20s, on our way to the mid-30s out there, winds decreasing throughout the afternoon. We'll see a few clouds here and there, but by and large, we'll melt a little bit of the slushy snow across the valley. 32 Valley City, a 28-degree afternoon in Langdon, and 30 in the Detroit Lakes area. Look at this gorgeous shot right here. Brad uploading this from the Wyndmere area, the sunlight bouncing off of the clouds. And now here is a look at your planning forecast. So after the 35, a reasonable shot at 40 degrees to close off our work week. It doesn't look like a lot of wind either, so quite enjoyable out there. Then heading into the weekend, one more day in the 30s on Saturday with some clouds building in late. Sunday, a significant storm system will roll out of the Rockies and head toward the Great Lakes. At this point, it looks like most of the snow, South Dakota, into parts of southern and central Minnesota, where it could be quite heavy. Snowfall in excess of a foot will not be out of the question with that wet weather maker. Looks south of our area, but we'll have to keep our eyes on it. Temperatures fall into the 20s and then teens by the middle of next week. That's not too bad. Teens, no. That's above zero. So compared to our recent trend, not bad.
Yeah, thanks.
You're welcome.